Sometimes because coaches and managers don't want you to.
Here's Kovnatski on the move, his first involvement, and a chance on here! And it's taken superbly by Łukasz!
Side, and this is excellent. Too easy, a little bit too easy, gets by, and I think the opportunity's gone. He just gets it caught up in his feet, but picks out a lovely pass. And I'm not sure it was meant for Moneta, but it just got there. And he's finished it with real aplomb. Thought he'd lost it there, just got caught up in his feet, but nobody closes him down. And there he comes in and just doesn't...
Found at times in the opening game.
Yeah, but you look at their goals for column, says 0-0.
Oh, and it breaks kindly for Franson, and there's Strandberg! And there is a Swedish equaliser!
A really good open game. They do pass it well around the box. And a little bit lucky there, scuffs his shot. Ron Bell, could he have done better? Wants to shot here, hits it into the ground, and again, for me, takes it away from Ron Bell.
Olsen's corner with a good one. Une Larsson.
I mean, look at the corner, it's a good one, good movement, but free header. Ron Bell, no chance with it at all. Good lead, just...
Oh, how cool was that from Kovnatski?